A Parrot in a Cage by Lekhnath Paudyal, English translation. A pitiful, vice-born child called Parrot. I have been trapped in a cage. Even in my dreams, Lord Shiva, I find not a grain of peace or rest. My brothers, my mother and father, dwell in a far forest corner. To whom can I pour out my anguish, lamenting from this cage? Sometimes I weep and shed my tears. Sometimes I am like a corpse. Sometimes I leap about insane, remembering forest joys. This poor thing which wandered the glades and ate wild fruits of daily delight has been thrust by fate into a cage. Destiny, Lord, is strange. All about me I see only foes. Nowhere can I find a friend. What can I do? How shall I escape? To whom can I unburden my heart? Sometimes it's cold, sometimes the sun shines. Sometimes I prattle, sometimes I am still. I am ruled by the fancies of children. My fortune is constant change. For my food I have only third-class rice, and that does not fill me by half. I cast a glance at my water pot. Such comforts. That too is dry. Hoarse my voice, tiresome these bonds. To have to speak is further torment. But if I refuse to utter a word, a stick is brandished, ready to beat me. One says, it is a stupid ass. Another cries, see, it refuses to speak. A third wants me to utter God's name. Atma Ram, speak, speak, say the name. Fate, you gave my life to this constraint. You gave me a voice I am forced to use. But you gave me only half my needs. Fate, you are all compassion. And you gave me faculties both of melodious speech and discerning taste. But what do these obtain for me, say? Confinement, abuse, constant threats. Jailing me, distressing me, are the curious sports man plays. What heinous crimes these are! Deliver me, thou God of pity. Humanity is all virtue's foe, exploiting the good till their hearts are dry. Why should man ever be content? Till winged breath itself is snatched away, while a single man on this earth remains. Until all men have vanished, do not let poor parrots be born. O Lord, please hear my prayer.